Hi there, puzzle guys, here with new puzzle. This is a puzzle made by Jean Claude Constantin. The name of this puzzle is Eingeengt. It's a German name. Google Translate says that it translates as constraint. So it's a constraint puzzle. This is the packing puzzle. It means that you have to put given objects into given space. And it's a constraint packing puzzle. It means that there are some obstacles which may make your life a little bit more difficult. As you can see, the top layer of this puzzle is acrylic and it has different shape, not the same as the base of this puzzle. It has a square shape and the acrylic has like this very strange shape. And you can put parts only inside this shape. So if you want to put something here, you have to put it through this opening and then slide to this corner. So all the corner pieces supposed to go first and then all other pieces. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 and I think it's a pretty well deserved rating since it took me a lot of time to solve it. If you want to see my solution, you can keep watching the video, and if you want to buy this puzzle, I will put a link in the description where you can do it. Alright, solving the constraint puzzle. First, I think that I have to take all the pieces out and to see what I can do. Since I think that this is not going to be the solution, I don't know how to fit this part inside, so it's going to be something different. So let's try to take all these parts out. And that's not even easy to take all these parts out, since you have to find the way how to take them out through this strange looking opening. So okay, I think that I found the way how to take this out. Next, this one. And probably this one is gonna go like this. And the last one is not gonna be a problem at all. So now I have to put them back in such a way that I can fit all the parts inside. So the obvious part is that the last piece is supposed to go in this open space. So first I have to fill all the corners and then try to fit the last piece inside. So let's try some obvious moves. Let's begin from this one. Seems like this one gonna fit here. This one looks like fits here perfectly. Okay, now I have a problem, since I don't know how to fit something inside in there. Maybe I can rotate this one. Okay, but then now I can't put this piece inside. That's not easy. Okay, maybe I have to find. First I have to find some like ugly shaped piece and to start solving putting this piece inside. So I think that this is the ugliest piece, and maybe have to put it somehow. So no, probably all the parts that are supposed to go on the edges have to be inside this plastic. So this one sticks out and it's gonna block the way for other parts. So probably I have to start with something different, like this for example. Next I'll try this one. Which piece is supposed to go next? Okay, this one. No, not this one. It's not gonna fit here. Maybe this one. Looks good, but not as good as I want it to be. I'll try to put all these parts into a square on the top of this part. So for example, if I start like this, those two looks pretty good. This one, the next is gonna be probably here. Now this one fits inside. This one goes, oh, that's look like the right solution, but now I have to do it inside, and that's gonna be more difficult. Let's try it again. I will leave this shape so I can see how I have to do it. And now I will try to put it inside. So first this one. Okay, this one was the first, but I put it the wrong way. Now this one. See, it's not as easy as it looks, since you have to put it in the right sequence. Otherwise, you're not gonna solve it. I really think that I'm very close to solving this puzzle. Nope, something is not right. I can't put this part inside. I have to put it maybe first. Oh, I don't know how to put it inside. Okay, let's try again. Maybe I can put it like this. No, it's cheating. I'm trying to slide it underneath this plastic cover. So that's it. But now I don't have enough space to fit all these parts. Oh, maybe this is not the solution that I was looking for. Ooh, there is no solution for this puzzle. Hope it's not gonna take me like the whole day solving it. Still like this piece and this one. They looks really nice in these places. What's gonna ask next? Can't put here. Maybe I can put this one inside. Okay, now I can try to fit this one. Maybe not this way. Maybe I have to put it like this. And now rotate it. Slide inside. The next one goes, nope, it's not gonna help me. But it looks pretty nice, and the shape of the last piece is not what I expect it to be. thought it's gonna be a little bit easier to solve, and I will spend like 20 minutes solving it, but it's already 20 minutes and I still don't have the solution. Okay, let's try to put them out again. Try to make the beautiful shape that I tried to do before, and try again how to solve it. So this looks nice. Now I have to fit it inside. Oh my god! I feel so stupid now. I can move this base the different way, so I don't have to put all the parts inside like this. I can just put it like this, and now I think I'm gonna be able to fit this square inside of this part. So let's try it. That was so obvious that I don't have to follow the same pattern as it was the solution, incomplete solution at the very beginning. And now it's so easy to solve it. That's it. Puzzle is solved. It took me about 25 minutes to find that I'm a little bit stupid and I have to start from the very beginning, and I can solve it in just under 1 minute. So very nice little puzzle. I think that it's really must have in your collection. Very beautiful, pretty complicated. As long as you stick to the first plan and trying to put all the parts when the puzzle is oriented like this, it will take you forever to find the solution. But when you find that you can move this part as well as you want it, it's going to be a little bit easier to solve it. So that's it. If you like this puzzle and my video, hit like, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video, and see you next time.